What's the meaning of China? China. China.
China. China. China is a country located in Eastern Asia with a population of over 1.4 billion people. It is the world's second largest economy and has a rich history spanning thousands of years. The name China is believed to have originated from the Qin dynasty, which existed from 221 to 206 BCE. The country is known for its distinctive culture, including its language, food, art, and traditional practices such as Tai Chi and acupuncture. China is also home to several iconic landmarks, including the Great Wall and the Forbidden City.